Ever wondered why cast iron pots and pans are the best to cook with? To understand this, let's take a journey back to the Han Dynasty, where the Chinese discovered the benefits of cast iron. This durable, heat-retaining metal quickly became a staple in culinary tools, spreading across the globe. Europeans and Americans embraced this innovation, using it to revolutionize their cooking techniques. As centuries unfolded, cast iron cookware maintained its indispensable position in kitchens worldwide. Why? The answer is simple: unique seasoning. This term takes on a special meaning when it comes to cast iron, transforming the metal into a naturally non-stick that amplifies the flavor of your meals. When you cook in a cast iron pan, the fats and oils in your food seep into the pan's surface, creating a non-stick layer. This layer accumulates with each use, forming a shiny patina that adds a distinctive depth of flavor to your dishes. Beyond seasoning, cast iron's appeal lies in its exceptional heat retention. It provides a stable cooking temperature, making it a versatile tool for different cooking methods, from searing steaks to baking cornbread. Its oven-safe nature adds to its popularity, making it a multi-purpose tool in your kitchen. However, the magic of cast iron requires mindful maintenance. It needs careful cleaning and proper seasoning to preserve its extraordinary qualities. But don't fret, we'll guide you through these steps in our upcoming segments. Now that you're aware of the history and magic of cast iron, let's explore its benefits. The journey of getting to know your cast iron cookware better has just begun. It's time to unlock the full potential of this culinary marvel, and we're here to help you every step of the way. So gather your pots and pans, and let's embark on this exciting culinary adventure together. Your cooking experience and tantalizing your taste buds like never before. Now let's delve deeper into the benefits. What makes cast iron the preferred choice of many home cooks and professional chefs alike? It's the array of benefits that this modest material provides in the world of culinary arts. First, let's focus on heat retention. Cast iron pans, the glowing sun of your cuisine world, keep your dishes cooked to perfection. Once heated, they maintain the warmth, offering a reliable cooking surface. Ideal for searing meats to a tempting golden hue or baking deliciously crusty cornbread. It's the reason why Grandma's much-loved recipe for Sunday roast turns out in a cast iron skillet. Next, we discuss durability. Cast iron is the titan of your cookware collection. Hardy and sturdy, enduring years of use with ease. Proper care will make it outlive you. A centuries-old culinary heritage in its solid build. A pan that can be passed down generations, creating a touchstone of family memories. If it was good enough for your grandma, it's good enough for us. Then, versatility. Cast iron is the chameleon of your kitchen, smoothly transitioning from stove to oven to grill. It's as comfortable simmering a slow-cooked stew as it is flash-frying a swift stir-fry. It's a jack of all trades and master of many. Nutrition is another area where cast iron excels. Cooking in cast iron can add trace amounts of iron to your food. Iron deficiency is a global issue, so why not address it with your cookware? While not a substitute for a balanced diet, it's a bonus supplementing your nutrition. Lastly, the cherry on top. Cast iron develops a natural non-stick surface over time. Each time you cook and season your pan, it builds a layer of seasoning, a patina that rivals any man-made non-stick coating. Unlike synthetic coatings, this one improves with age, enhancing your cooking journey with every meal prepared. Impressed yet? But wait, there's more. Let's talk about what to look for when buying your own cast iron. Ready to buy your own cast iron cookware? Here's what you need to know. Prioritizing high-quality cast iron cookware is more than just a simple task of picking the first pan you see. It's a deliberate decision that involves considering a plethora of key factors that we will explore in depth. The foremost thing to deliberate on is the cookware's weight. Cast iron is known for its weight, but it can differ across brands. A less weighty pan might be easier to manage. However, it may not retain heat as proficiently as a heavier one might. A pan that's too heavy could be tough to control, especially when filled with food. Aim for a balance aligned with your strength and cooking style. Next, think about the cookware size. The skillet's dimensions should match the amount of food you usually cook. For those cooking for 1 or 2 people, a smaller 10-inch skillet should suffice. But if you often cook for larger groups, a larger 12 or 14-inch skillet might be a smarter investment. Bigger doesn't always mean better. It's about finding the size that suits your needs. The third consideration is the surface quality of your cast iron. A smooth surface ensures even heat distribution, making cooking more efficient and cleaning less taxing. While some cast iron pans come pre-seasoned, this isn't a deciding factor. Regardless of being pre-seasoned or not, All cast iron pans need seasoning at some point, which we'll discuss later. Another crucial factor is the brand you're considering. Not all brands maintain the same quality and durability standards. Some brands are known for superior quality and durability, while others may fall short of their claims. Research, read reviews, and ask to ensure you're making an informed decision. In conclusion, selecting the right cast iron entails a careful balance of weight, size, surface quality, and brand reputation. While it might seem daunting, remember, a well-chosen cast iron can be a reliable kitchen companion for life. Now that you know how to choose your cast iron, let's move on to taking care of it. How do you ensure your cast iron lasts a lifetime? Here's how. The secret extending your cast iron's lifespan lies in 3 critical steps: careful cleaning, thorough seasoning, and thoughtful storage. Each one is essential, shaping the resilience and performance of your cast iron, assuring it can be passed down through the generations. The first step, cleaning, is of utmost importance. After each use, it's vital to clean your cast iron while it's warm. Warmth assists in dislodging food particles, making it easier to clean. Start by rinsing it under hot water, allowing the water to flow over the surface, detaching any stuck particles. Grab a gentle brush or sponge and delicately scrub to remove stubborn food bits. It's crucial to avoid dish soaps or abrasive scrubbing pads, as these can strip the seasoning, causing damage to your cast iron's surface. The next part of this process, drying, is often overlooked but is absolutely essential. Cast iron's enemy is rust, which can form from residual moisture left on your pan. Therefore, after rinsing, ensure to dry your cast iron thoroughly using a clean, dry towel. To achieve a superior level of dryness and additional protection, place your cast on a low heat burner for a few minutes to evaporate any lingering water droplets. The ensuing step is seasoning. This step is the secret to giving your cast iron its non-stick properties and shielding it against rust. Apply a thin layer of cooking oil to your pan, coating every surface, including the handle and bottom. Then place it upside down in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. Let it cool in the oven afterwards before moving to the final step, storage. Regarding storage, remember to always store your cast iron in a dry, low-humidity environment. If you need to stack multiple cast irons, place a paper towel between each one to prevent scratching and absorb any residual moisture, thereby preventing rust. In conclusion, attentive cleaning, thorough drying, precise seasoning, and strategic storage are the 4 pillars designed to safeguard your cast iron's longevity. Remember, a well-maintained cast iron pan is more than just a kitchen utensil. It's a legacy. With the right care, your cast iron can be a lifelong companion in the kitchen. Let's wrap up our journey with cast iron. We've covered a lot today, from the history of cast iron to its benefits, selecting and caring for it. Cast iron cookware, a relic of culinary history, has been part of our homes for centuries. Known for its heat retention and uniform cooking abilities, it's a mix of tradition and utility. The heat retention of cast iron gives you control over your cooking and delivers perfectly cooked dishes every time. It's ideal for slow cooking, deep frying, baking, grilling, and roasting. Its use extends from the stovetop to the oven, and even to open flames on a campfire. When selecting your cast iron, a smooth cooking surface is vital for heat distribution. A comfortable handle ensures easy maneuvering. The weight of the cookware should feel balanced. Be sure to inspect the finish. It should be solid and free from any cracks. What sets cast iron apart is its durability. These pans are virtually indestructible, capable of withstanding high heat. They are a non-stick alternative when seasoned and contribute to your iron intake. Caring for your cast iron may seem daunting, but it's simple. Rinse it while it's still warm, scrub gently with a non-metal brush or sponge, and dry thoroughly to prevent rusting. Never use dish soap or let it soak in water. Seasoning your cast iron regularly with a thin layer of oil is key. Bake it in the oven and let it cool down naturally. This builds up a patina over time, which prevents rust and creates a non-stick surface. To explore more about cast iron, resources are available online. Websites like the Cast Iron Collector offer information, and cookbooks serve as comprehensive guides. Remember, practice makes perfect. As you continue to cook with cast iron, you'll learn more about its unique qualities and develop a deeper appreciation of this kitchen workhorse. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and enjoy the culinary delights of cast iron cooking. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave us a comment. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy cooking!